Hello everyone, welcome to Education World. I am Ajay Kumar, your maths tutor, faculty member at Education World. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Education World EW, your YouTube channel. Don't forget it. Thank you. So let us start. Today's topic, expansions. Today's back we have discussed about the topic of whole square and square of the more than two terms. Now today we'll discuss about the cube. How we'll do the cube of the terms. Like if I am having a plus b cube. So formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and in case of minus, a minus b cube, so a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b, then plus ab square. One more formula for this one is there. If you want to remember that a plus b cube, it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Another modified form, a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. So today also we learn how from the individual square we can convert, or square and cube is how connected. Today we'll discuss that one also, and we will also discuss about one property of the cube. So first of all we'll start from the beginning. Like simple question, I am taking 2a plus 3b cube. Just fill the values. So 2a whole cube plus 3b whole cube plus 3a value is 2a here and b value is 3b. Then 2a plus 3b. So you can write like this. So it will be 8a cube plus 27b cube. So see here, it will be 18ab. So 2a plus 3b. So again 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 36 a square b plus 18 3s are 54 ab square. For minus also on the same way. Now how square and cube we will do? Let us see that one. They have given, suppose that they have given you the square 23 and they are asking about this one cube. Fine. So first of all we will find a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. How we will find? A plus 1 by a whole square. Why square? Because it will give you the value of a plus 1 by a, then cubing both sides we will get the result. So it will be a square plus 1 by a square plus 2ab. So 2ab means this will cut out. This value is already given. How much? 23 plus 2 left hand side a plus 1 by a square. Okay, so a plus 1 by a square, you will get 25. Now a plus 1 by a, you will get square root of plus and minus, because square root values varies from negative to positive, so it will be plus minus 5. So here two results will come. How? First we will consider case first. When a is 5, then a plus 1 by a is 5. So a plus 1 by a is 5. So what we'll do? Cubing both sides. A cube, b cube plus 3ab and a plus 1 by a. So 5 cube is 125. So this a is cancelled. You can write a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3. This is 5. So 125. So a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 15 is equal to 125. So a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to 110. This is the case first. This is our first case. Now for second case, same procedure we will follow. A plus 1 by a is equal to minus 5. Cubing both sides, a cube plus b cube, again a cancels 3. Our result will be like this. Now if negative power is odd number, then negative will remain. So this value minus 5. So a cube plus 3 into minus 5, it will be minus 125. Now it will be a cube plus 1 by a cube minus 15 is equal to minus 125. So a cube plus 1 by a cube minus 125 plus 15. So what you will get? 110. So what we observe from this formula can be directly written as a cube plus 1 by a cube to the whole cube is equal to whole cube minus 3a. So if we will write directly like this one, we can find our values. So another form for this one is conditional question. So one question will do from the square we have find the different values. Now they are saying that, like simple question, a plus 2b is equal to 5 is given. Another question. So they are saying that show that a cube plus 8b cube plus 30ab is equal to 125. We have to show this one. So we will do here. So we will start cubing both sides. So when we will cube a cube plus b cube plus 3a B and A plus B. So here it will be 1, 2, 5. Now A cube, this will not change. Why? You just see from the what is the result we need. A cube we need 8 change. See here, it means changing will be in this area only now. So it will be 6 AB. So in place of A plus 2B, we will use the given result. 5 is equal to 1 to 5. So therefore, we will get our result. How we will get our result? A cube plus B cube plus 30 AB is equal to 1 to 5. So this is the another use. Now one more question is there. They have already given this value. Your question number 6 of the exercise. A 1 by A cube is already given. It is equal to 3. They are asking find A cube. Show that A cube. Show A cube plus 1 by A cube is equal to 0. So no need to open this one. You can do directly. How you can do? Here it is given. Sorry, square is given here. Here it is square. Here it is given square. Now from square, don't open the square. We can find directly. It is given in one form. So it will be square root. Now cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. So for finding cubing both sides, A cube plus B cube plus 3AB and A plus 1 by A. When here I will do the cubing, so here it is A cube plus 1 by A cube plus 3. Here it is under root 3. Here now you have done the cubing. So it will give you 3 under root 3. Why? You can see here under root 3, 3 times you have to multiply under root 3. So it will give you the pair. So this will be 3 under root 3. So this is cancelled out, and what we are going to prove, we have already proved. Now one more thing is there. One more thing is there. That is, use the property to evaluate. Use the property to evaluate. Which property we are going to use? It is the formula A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. But this is possible only if sum of 3 terms of this cube is 0. Sum of this 3 terms is 0. We can directly cube. For more simplification, if I will explain you, if you want to cube 2 cube, then you want to cube one more is there. Suppose that for 3 cube and C cube. So what you are going to do? You are going to add like 8, 27. Here I will consider 1. So 1. So what you got? 25, 36. So this is for the smaller quantity. But if the things are major here, major numeric values, then directly I can find the value. But the condition is this condition must satisfy. For example, I am taking, if I want to cube 8 cube plus minus 5 cube plus minus 3 cube. Right now I am going to cube. So if I want to cube this one, I can directly write the answer by using this formula: 3 into 8 into minus 5 into minus 3. So my result will be 24 and 15. 24 multiplied by 15, it will be 360. No need to do the cube separately in the other sense, but I have to check the condition first. I have to check this condition first. I have to check this condition first here. This condition must be checked. One more example I will take, then for better understanding. Now cube of 2 cube plus 4 cube plus minus 6 cube. If I want to, so here my A value is 2, B value is 4 and C value is minus 6. So I will check the condition first. What is condition? A plus B plus C must be 0. So A value is 2, B value is 4, C value is minus 6. Now you can see 0. So condition is satisfied. Now I can directly cube this one: A cube plus B cube minus 6 cube. So it will be 3, A is 2, B is 4 and C is minus 6. So it is 6 into minus 24. So my result will be 144 mile. Now you can see another thing. If you want to do separately, how you will do? 2 to 8, 64, then minus 36 into 6, what you will do? 6 to 1 6. Then it will give you 72 minus 216. So when you will subtract, what you are going to get? 4, then 4 and 1. Okay, so same way you have to do in negative. So you can directly do this one. No need to do for finding cubing of 3 terms, then adding and subtracting. Here only just check the condition and apply the formula. Now today's summary for this thing is formula, use of formula. Which formulas? Of the cube. A plus B whole cube, what will be there? A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square and minus A minus B cube, it is A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B and plus 3AB 3ab square. Then another formula we have developed. What is that? A cube. If we want to cube this one, then we have developed in first example, which one? A plus 1 by a cube minus 3a plus 1 by a. So another modified form of the formula for our making calculation easy is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. So a minus b cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b, and we can cube three terms. Individual cube of the three terms is equal to 3 times their product. But this is possible if only for this one, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel Education World EW.